Hi, my name is Michelle Emiliani, and on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, delicious meal for those of you who doesn't know how to cook, are busy, or are just lazy. And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious guacamole. And if you're trying to make your life easier in the kitchen, you are in the right place, because cooking shouldn't feel overwhelming. It should feel like something you can actually enjoy. And for today's recipe, you will need cilantro, habanero, tomato, lime, red onion, salt, and of course, our star ingredient, avocado. First thing first, get your avocados. They have to be on the ripe side. Just take your knife, place it in the middle, and just turn the knife, take it out, and twirl it and open it. Oh my God, these avocados are amazing. People, you know how hard it was for me to find avocados so nice like this, like beautiful and perfect like this? It was so hard. I had to go to 3 grocery stores and they were all hard. Look at these beauties. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now you take the half that has the pit, take your knife, go like that, twirl it out. Easy, simple. Take it out, be careful, you don't wanna cut yourself. And then you take a spoon, which I don't have right now. Let me just grab a spoon, I'll be right back. Spoon is back. And then what I like to do is, I'm gonna take my knife and I'm just gonna do a couple of cuts like that. Like in cubes almost. And I just find it's a lot easier to mash after. Then you grab the spoon and you take it all out. Boom. Done. And then you do the same thing with the other avocados. And avocados, not only do they taste amazing, but they're also packed with good fats and nutrients, and they're really good for you. This is what makes guacamole so simple but delicious. And I'm just gonna do 3 avocados for my recipe. And everyone has their own way of making guacamole. I like the simple, classic way of doing it. This avocado is so perfect, like butter. It's one of those things that are so pleasurable to me to eat. So healthy. It's a good fat. It's a good fat, definitely. I like to cut the red onion into small pieces, just enough to give that little crunch. Same thing for the habanero. Next, I'm chopping the tomatoes and adding all of those natural juices. That's where so much of the freshness comes from. And of course, the cilantro. Now I transfer the avocados into a bigger bowl so that I can mash them better. With my fork, with the back of my fork, I'm just gonna go and mash the avocado. And I'm gonna transfer the avocado into the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and season the avocado with some salt. Again, salt to your tasting. Add the habanero to the bowl. Red onions, tomatoes, cilantro. And my friends, this is called Pico de gallo, a mixture of red tomato, onions, red onions, cilantro, and lime juice. That's it. A little bit of salt. We don't want to forget about the salt. And you can add salt to your own liking and taste. The same as the lemon, but you have to be careful not to put too much lemon, okay? Because otherwise it's gonna be too sour. So now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to mix this up. Add lime juice. I'm adding a bit more salt and mix everything really well. And you can taste, you can take a little bit and taste the salt and the lemon. This is perfect. I'm gonna add the pico de gallo on top. And I'm going to mix everything. And done. This guacamole is looking amazing. And this is how you make the perfect guacamole. Tell me if it wasn't easy. Simple ingredients, fresh, you can find in the supermarket. So please, tell me how do you like this recipe on the comments below. Time to try this guacamole. And I'm just gonna take one of these nice tortilla chips, corn tortilla chips, and I'm just gonna grab a nice handful of this deliciousness. My goodness, this is so good. You can feel the lemon, the cilantro. It's very rich, it's very creamy, it's very good. It's delicious. You should try this. Please let me know, because this is worth it. So easy to make. Simple ingredients you probably have at home. And if you stayed until the end and you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next episode.